Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the abode. Welcome to my house. This is the King TV house. We are live at the studio, ladies and gentlemen. I'm at the compound. As you can see, I'm representing their brand, the King TV, the way. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not gonna be long. It's gonna be a quick one. Let me just put my light properly so that you can see me properly. So I'm not gonna be long. And what we'll do is we'll take each other through the upcoming event, which is an auspicious one, the THULAMELA Business Forum, NDF function, and a Eco Park launch. It's gonna be great. Trust me. Let's go through it. Let's check it out. As we get into my gallery, ladies and gentlemen, get a couple of pics, but the very first one is this one, which we are honoring our company. This is the King TV, and we are also actually offering our services to the event. So we will write a formal letter proposing that we handle the streaming, we handle the music, and we handle the photography and the video on that night, or on that day, on the 30th of November. So this is my team, as you can see. That's myself there. That's the speaker, very powerful speaker. We also have Vani, like watermelon, and we normally have them as giveaways for our clients because it's hot. We also have our banner there. Very, 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 very beautiful. This is the King TV gang. But anyways, you can see the logo here and the logo on the name. It's so beautiful. So as we move on and we get into the topic of the day, the star of the day, let me just put myself here. The star of the day, guys, the THULAMELA Business Forum, end-year function, and a launch of Nandoni Eco Park. Guys, this is an amazing event which is for everybody. The invite says it's the 30th of November at 10 a.m. It's in Tswinga Village, and all entrepreneurs are invited. So you'll bring your own camp chair, and as word is going, guys, it's our own event. So if there's gonna be any changes, I'll keep you guys updated. But this is the very first version of the invite. The invite is on the 30th of November. Yes, it will be a Saturday. So we are extending an invite that you join us. Could it be anybody from the government? Could it be anybody from any enterprise that would want to join? Could there be any company that would want to participate as well? Companies on the participator, you will get a certificate of acknowledgement, which will be signed by our organization, and you will of course get the VIP treatment. I'm sure there's a company in THULAMELA Business Forum. So if you're one of those people that want to participate, raise your hand and get back to me. The number is 060-799-4660. Even when we say entrepreneur participation, cover this service. Security. If you're a security company, come and expose your company on that day. It won't be charged, but you're going to benefit. How are you going to benefit? Number one, you're gonna get exposure. Our TikTok has over 100,000 views and subscribers, and your business will get an opportunity to showcase what it does and to pitch and to present in front of our leadership. So it's a must-have for an entrepreneur. Business, or anybody who's got a business, come through if you want to participate. Space, bring it through. Let's talk about it. Hit me up. The number is 060-799-4660. So as you can see, 30th of November, 10 a.m. at Tswinga Village, Gota section. All entrepreneurs are invited. I'm also going to put up a direction map. From a simple math. Ndukona hapa noni bachikosvika robotoni dza before Thavani Mall. Edzila robotoni dza before Thavani Mall dzonokovaisa builders warehouse. Vatu vakayoke la vapira builders warehouse vasikone. You go straight, you pass Posh Villa, you go all the way up until the Chigontiri ends, and after Chigontiri ends, you'll go up. Other triple-story buildings on your left. You'll keep on going up. You're gonna pass the first left, And then the second, if not the third, will be the one that takes you left. Nandoni Eco Park. Mara, we are still gonna put more signage, so look out for that. And yes, let's be excited. Carry the youth to the NDA function. Rekodoba launch na Eco Park and the entrepreneurs the practice as a run the businesses as a. So we need you guys. The entrepreneurs that are already running, we need you guys. Entrepreneurs that are still conceptualizing, those that are still putting together their concepts, you are needed. The performers, it's a hello duba. Carry it ecosystem as the entrepreneur. Songo chajana. Carry to batara the services that night or that day. So arene mwimbi dani ni wana exposure reniwe online niwe na the interview na the photo shoot are high quality. Our cameras are high definition, our content is quality, so King TV will be hosting that. So as I was saying, when we go to Pushara event, guys, I'm really excited about this, and we are going to do so well. So if you've got a company and you want to participate, sit with me, talk to me, and let's see how we're gonna do it. If you want to come through with your Chisa vibes and you've got a Chisa Nyama company, come through, we talk about it, we'll probably meet you halfway. Rarega Ziviva, Ina Disa Service Big Rani Forda, run contentizer, and then you're gonna win. Aranish Kodanga company security, bring those guys at the time, and then we take it from there. I just got an inbox. Let me see. There's also another inbox that I want to shout out to. Big shout out to Agape at the crash. I love that daycare. Bakobana, let me check. Yeah, graduation on the 7th of December 2024. Agape Child Care Center. I love it. I love my church. I love my daycare center Agape. Na the owner Maria Arriba support. Ribono ririko yapa like daycare center. Ribone zune ela creche yakuita. Ufunzwa muntu hapo petu wabwa chikua. I'm so impressed. Whenever I go visit them, it's always great. So we'll be there as well on the 7th of December. We want to be busy. We want to be all over. This is the festive season. But abatobezwa the festive season yabonga hey event has 30th of November. Ya THULAMELA Business Forum. So yeah, this is me. I don't know how many minutes it's been, but business. The number is 0607994660. We're doing this for THULAMELA Business Forum, and it's going to be amazing. Na King TV, we'll be doing the music, the entertainment, and also the streaming of the event. So we're gonna have face paints, we're gonna have amazing artists, amazing activities as well. We want poets, we want business people, we want to know. We want to also be able to learn. We want to learn something from you guys. So event I'll check out with you guys on the 2nd. Keep supporting King TV. Subscribe. I am with the THULAMELA Business Forum. This is the event. I am checking out. Boom shakalaka. Thanks for tuning in. One love. Don't forget, you must share. Good night. Boom. Cares. I think I'm still on in a way. What?